Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and in today's video I wanted to show you an update on my Streptocarpus which I propagated from leaves. As you can see here I have two bushes growing in one small pot. And today I will divide them, and also I want to tell you a few words about how to care of Streptocarpus, how to make them bloom and so on. So the first important thing is watering. There are two theories on how to best water Strepts. There are those who feel that you should water them from the top and only when the plant is very dry, even willing. And there are those who water them from the bottom like a violet. When I first started with Strepts, I choose the water from the top and only when the plant is very dry. I don't let them actually droop, but this method works perfect for Strepts in my case. The next important thing is light. Give the plant the proper light. Morning or soft late afternoon light is best if you have a windowsill collection. That means an east or shaded south facing window. Also, avoid direct sun during the harsh hours of the day or west exposure. The next thing is repotting. You need to repot your plant every 6 to 9 months or so. If for no other reason, then the plant needs the nutrients from the soil. Increase the pot size only if you must, and then by the smallest increment possible, since these plants are preferred to be root-bounded. Also avoid deep pots. They will hold too much moisture. Remember to pot the plant so that the crown of the leaves suits just above the potting mix surface. The next thing I want to tell is about cleaning. Remove spent flowers. In particular, do not let spent blossom drop onto the leaves and lay there. This will invite rot and diseases. Remove old, yellowed and unhealthy leaves. A clean plant is better able to remain pest and disease-free. The next thing is temperature. Keep the plant in its comfort zone. It's happy in the temperature range between 22 to 26 degrees. Most prefer the cooler side of the spectrum. It's well suited to normal house temperatures, but avoid sudden changes which can cause issues such as mold or mildew on leaves. And last but not least, soil. Do not forget to use a good quality soil. Make sure it has perlite, peat and a little of vermiculite. Pot the Strepts so that the mix is firmly in the pot but still airy. And the real trick is do not overwater. So guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope this information was helpful for you. I wish you to grow beautiful bushes of Streptocarpus. As you can see, it's not complicated, just follow my instruction and try not to overwater them. I wish you all the best. See you in my next video. Bye!